Kidz Kit English Conversation.
Hi,
Hello,
what is your name?
my name is Anne. What is your name?
My name is Alex.
Where are you from?
I am from America. And you?
I'm from Australia.
How old are you, Anne?
I'm 10 years old. How old are you?
I'm 12 years old. Do you like playing games?
Yes, I do. I like volleyball.
I like volleyball too.
That's awesome. We can play together sometime.
Sure. Can you play on Saturday?
Yes, I can. What time shall we meet?
Let's meet at the playground at 4 p.m.
Sounds good. See you then.
See you, bye.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.